How's it going, everybody? My name's Dylan.
I'm Bree.
And we're here at Red Rock Vapor at Las Vegas, Nevada. And today we're bringing you the Me Pod by Smoke and Vapor. If you want to follow us on any of our social media platforms, they'll all be linked in the description below.
It's really small and compact, which is really nice. This is the pod, and it's really easy to fill. You just lift this up and you fill through there. The pods now have a new rubber stopper, which keeps it from leaking in your tank, which is really nice. And you just put it back in. You have your little button down here to turn it on, 5 clicks, your charging port. When you charge it, the lights on it, it'll turn blue when you take a hit off of it, and that means it's fully charged. Then it turns purple when it's halfway charged, and then it'll be red when it's a low battery. And they last pretty long. I haven't charged mine in maybe about a week, so it's pretty good with the battery life, and it's still fully charged.
All right, so when you get your box, you're gonna have your sleeve on the outside of it, open up, and you're gonna have your Me Pod in the kind of slot below, as well with 2 of the pods. Now I have mine around my neck right now just to test it out for the day. But it would be in there. Lanyard does not come attached. It would come below everything in this kind of compartment down here with the extra airflow adjustment plugs. So the more that you put in, the more restricted the pull gets, making it more and more like a cigarette. The more open it is, the more and more you're gonna get a kind of hookah drop. Then warranty card, instruction manual, and a little snack. Don't eat that, please. And putting everything back together, you would get your lanyard, kind of slips through in this little notch right here so you can dangle it around your neck, off your keys, whatever you want to put it on, and a nice, really sturdy actually lanyard that it comes with too. You can be one of those cool kids that puts your vapes around your necks and so easily grabbable. But as far as the hit on this, I like it a lot. Like I said earlier, there are plugs that you can insert to make it more and more restricted. And so doing that, you get more along the lines of a cigarette pull. So that's where kind of salt nicotine juices come in. We carry a few in our physical location. We carry stuff from Air Factory and Milkman right now. Air Factory juices come in 35 or 50 nic, and then the Milkman juices come in 40. And what Salt Nic does is packs a lot more nicotine without that harshness. So a 35 or 50 nic can feel like a 6 nic, but giving you a lot more nicotine into your system. So for the people that need something inconspicuous, something for 15 minutes every few hours, just trying to get a nicotine buzz, this is where it's going to shine for. But if you wanted to take those plugs out, use a lower nicotine, get more of a cloud off of it, you could do it that way too, making it kind of accessible to both crowds. So in designing this, they took kind of a nod from Lord of the Rings. So down here it says designed by Smoking Vapor, and up here it says the one vape to rule them all. Super cool edition, written in Elvish. So really cool novelty aspect to it that I like. And then you still get your nice little window, see all your juice in there. Seems to be a pretty big pod and a really good system overall. I like it so far. Not bad.
So that's it for the Me Pod, you guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to us and watch more.
Thanks.